Here. All right, Mom. Look it. And she's got her Wednesday socks on. Hi, Annie. Marissa. That's Annie.
Oh, look at that,
Oh, that's a little blanket, too.
It's a little froggy. Look at this.
That's
a turtle.
I don't know what it is.
It's a turtle.
Look, he's going to play with the paper. Watch where you're walking, honey. You don't want to break your toys.
Look.
Wow.
Here's the paper. Look at this.
Why?
You didn't program it yet?
Wait.
It done. Oh my God, Marissa.
Ooh.
Look at this, buddy. Look at these. Look at them shoes. Yeah. You see them shoes? New outfit. Look. Look.
I like them shoes, Rissa. Dora shoes, huh?
My boy.
You got a hug for Grandma this morning?
Look at this one.
Huh, baby
Look at
girl?
this one. Look at this one.
You got hugs for Grandma?
Oh, big.
I don't think he's very interested.
It will pee-pee.
Yeah?
Marissa, give Mommy that, baby.
Can you give Mommy Anthony's pants and shirt?
Right there.
Right there, the shirt and the pants. Give it to Mommy. Anthony's clothes. Give Anthony's clothes to Mommy. Please? Please, honey? Marissa Annabelle.
Is there another thing on here for Anthony?
Yeah, there's one from Frank and Libby.
Yeah, that's over there.
Oh, that's heavy.
Look at Anthony, you got them, the pair of jeans that Grandma don't want to show you. Here, let Mama have it.
You gotta strap her in, honey.
No.
She said. Stay here, she said.
You should see his face.
You be nice to the baby. Marissa, you better be nice to that baby.
Yeah.